Hello everyone, welcome to the beautiful state of Florida at the West Palm Beach International Airport. Today, we are heading to Louisville, Kentucky on board Southwest Airlines through Baltimore on the Boeing 737-800 and Boeing 737-700 aircraft. I'm here to see if Southwest is really worth your money. Should you really love them? Let's find out. Alright, right out of the gates, let's go on to some things that you need to know before you get on a Southwest flight. First thing is that they do not have assigned seats. You actually have to check in advance exactly 24 hours in order to get a good boarding position so you can get on the plane, not last. So I highly recommend downloading their app, and exactly 24 hours before your flight, go online and check in. Your boarding position is based on the order you check in, so the earlier, the better. Even though no Southwest ticket will grant you access into a lounge, you can get access through an external partner. That would be, in our case, American Express Platinum, which gave us access to the Escape Lounge here at West Palm Beach. It's not a huge lounge, but I really enjoyed it. It was very spacious, food options were good, and honestly that's all I needed for the short wait before this flight up to Baltimore. Pause the video here if you would like to read the menu for the Escape Lounge. For 6 o'clock in the morning, the Palm Beach Airport was really coming alive, I'll say that. Soon enough we were called to line up to board by the Southwest boarding pillars. Today we are in A15, so we will be on the plane pretty quickly. So, yeah, wow, look at this. This is much better than I expected. These seats are really nice. Oh, hi there. These seats are really nice. Yeah, they look comfortable. They look spacious. I'd be more than happy to spend a couple hours in these. Yeah, I like it. I'd say the seat padding was okay, and the legroom was actually pretty decent. This plane was fitted with Boeing Sky Interior, meaning that putting stuff in the overhead bin is not only easier, but the overhead bins can actually fit much more and larger bags.
Automatically in the water. Participation makes part of the use of life vests on internet. Flight attendant will distribute additional devices. Covering safety for any of us behaviors of flight attendant. Thank you for your attention to backflash during 2 hours, 2-minute flight to Baltimore. Welcome aboard.
Please enjoy our early morning departure from here at West Palm Beach on runway 10 left. Seats recline using a button located on the armrest. Southwest doesn't have a huge menu, but the selections are okay for a flight just up and down the coast. However, if you do need any more substantial snacks rather than peanuts and crackers, I would buy something at the airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of this flight crew at Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Baltimore. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
We didn't have too long of a connection here in Baltimore, so we walked around, looked at a couple shops, and then headed over to the sea gates for our flight over to Louisville. For today's flight down to Louisville, we actually have a special livery, the New Mexico 1 livery on the Boeing 737-700.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, here in the C-13 boarding area. My name is Stagnisha. This is flight 2681. It is service Louisville, continuing service. It says proceed to gate to check in. That means you're not checked in. You'll need to do so at this time over at the customer service podium.
Now, this flight was a little uneventful, so I didn't capture much footage, so let me give you a brief overview. We went up, then we went down, people clapped, and we got off. Okay, maybe that was a little brief, but here's footage. As we land in Louisville, let me give you some final thoughts for this flight. I really enjoyed this flight with Southwest, and I'd be more than happy to fly them again. Just make sure you know to bring some food on board if you have a longer transcontinental flight with them, and to check in 24 hours in advance. But as long as you do that, I'd have no problem flying Southwest again if the price and times are right. I do see why people like Southwest, and I'd be more than happy to give them another try very soon. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good week.